Yeah, we are going to learn about histogram. You can see this is the example of histogram. This one, histogram. Okay, in a histogram, the area of each bar is proportional to the frequency in the interval. When the interval are not equal with the height of the bar is the frequency of density. Okay, everyone. When the interval are not equal with the interval, this is the interval. Oh, this is not equal with, mister. There is large, there is small. So we use the height of the bar is frequency of density. Frequency of density, this one. Okay, in the y-axis. What is the frequency of density, mister? Okay, frequency of density is frequency divided by interval width. Okay, let's continue. Example 2. You can check the height of children in a school are measured correct to the nearest centimeter and are summarized in the table. Look at this, 120 to 129. What is the weight, mister? The weight is 129 minus 120 plus 1. Okay, yeah. So the weight is 10. You need to minus and then plus, yeah. Then 130 to 139. How about this, mister? 139 minus 130 plus 1. So the weight is 10. Okay. How about this, mister? The weight 144 minus 140 plus 1. So the weight is 5. Okay, like that, yeah. How to find the weight? The question is, draw a histogram to represent this data. Because we have difference weight, we have one interval with weight 10, we have another interval with weight 5, so we need to represent in frequency density. Okay, look at first of all, you must give attention on the interval endpoint. Okay, the interval endpoint. Okay, this is the example 120 to 129. We have what is this? Batas bawah, ya. 120, tepi bawahnya you can minus with 0.5. So we will have 119.5. This is tepi bawah. Okay, in this place you will put in this place. Okay, and then 129, the name is batas atas. For batas atas, upper limit, for upper limit, you need to plus with 0.5. Always, Mister, yeah, plus 0.5. So 129.5. Okay. Put on this place 129.5. Okay. After that, you can check. Oh, don't look at this, yeah. 130 to 131. Okay. 130 to 131. Lower limit. Batas bawah equals 130 minus 0.5. 129.5. Oh yeah, same with upper limit in the first class. Okay, how about the upper limit, Mister? Upper limit is easy, yeah. 139 plus 0.5. You will have 139.5. Okay, put on here. Okay, look at this. Yeah, you can build histogram. You can do the same thing for 144. You will have 144.5. 149, you will have 149.5. 154, you will have 154.5. 159, you will have 159.5. 169, you will have 169.5. 179, you will have 179.5. This is the location, yeah, 179.5. That's all about lower limit and upper limit. Batas bawah, tepi bawah, dan batas atas, tepi atas. Oke. Next. That's all lower limit and upper limit. That's for x-axis. Look at x-axis. Everyone look at x-axis. The height. That's for x-axis. 119.5 in this place, 129.5 in this place, 139.5 in this place, 145 and 44.5 in this place. That's all for x-axis. Okay. Next, we are going to find the y-axis. The y-axis here is frequency density. How to find frequency density, Mister? That's easy. You just need to divide frequency with the weight. Okay. How to find the weight, Mister? I have explained, yeah. The weight 100 and this is the first class. 130, 120 and 100 to 129. The weight is 10. Okay, how to find this value, Mister? 129 minus 120 and then plus 1. Okay. Next, 130 to 139. How to find the weight, Mister? The same, yeah, 139 minus 130 plus 1. The answer is 10. Next, Mister, yeah, let's change my speed. 140 to 145. How about the weight, Mister? 140 minus 144 minus 140 plus 1. The answer is 5. And this is also 5. Okay. This one also 5. Okay. How many 5? Oh yeah, this one 5, yeah. This one also 5. How about this, Mister? This is 10, yeah. This is 10. Yeah, 10 here. And this one is 10 also, 10. So we need to find frequency of density. Frequency of density, the formula is frequency divided by width. Okay, that's easy. What is the frequency? The first one is 60. Look at this. The first one is 60. So 60 divided by 10, yeah. The answer is 6. And this one 80, 80, and the weight is 10. 10 also, yeah, divided by 10. 8. And then 50 divided by, what is the length? Not the length. What is the weight? Oh, 5 means that divided by 5. 10, okay? And then you just need to build. This is 6. Build like this. And this one is 6. Build like this. And this one is 8. Yeah, the 8. Build like this. And this one is 18, and etc. That's all about example 2. Okay. Next. Sorry. Yeah, you have exercise 3.3. Please draw histogram. Yeah. You need to draw histogram based on the following data. The same act with the example. Number 2, draw the histogram, estimate for the mean, standard deviation. How to find the mean and standard deviation? Same like before, yeah. Corresponding data were collected in another country. The mean of the set was 45.1 gram and the standard deviation was 5.9 gram. What does this tell you about the diet of the two countries? You can compare with man. In this, you will have the number man here. You will have the standard deviation here. You can compare with this. Okay. That's exercise 3.3. Next, yeah, you still have number 3 and number 4, and then you have relative frequency. Yeah, what is relative frequency density, Mister? You can divide the frequency density by total frequency. Okay. Okay, you can read the example, yeah, in your book, and then try to solve number 5. Okay, thank you.